Hi, received a question from Christine regarding the Amtech Archimedes drill. That's stock code R0282. Christine's question was, how does it work? So really the purpose of this video, Christine, is just to show you the item in question and showing it being used to drill a small hole in this piece of wood. In the kit you get the Archimedes drill, which is like this, and you get two collets. You get a small one, which is sort of 0 to about 1mm, and the one I've got fitted in the end of the drill goes up to 2mm, which is the maximum diameter you can put in here. So you just slide the collet in like that, put the knurled collar on, and here I've just got a 1.5mm drill, okay, because plainly you're not going to be using this to drill holes in brick walls or put large drills in. So I'm just going to tighten the collet up. So now I've got the 1.5mm drill in the end here, and it works. Archimedes was a bright fella. It can work. You can either hold this knurled ring here and operate it like that, or the main thing is for art and craft, for jewellery makers, is that you can actually use it one-handed. So if I start now, very light pressure, and the drill bit goes backwards and forwards. It doesn't go round and round. So I've done about 6 or 10 presses up and down, and you can see that the drill has gone into the wood. So carefully you can remove it like that, and it's put a very fine 1.5mm hole in the piece of wood. So hopefully that helps. As I say, ideal for model makers, people doing jewellery, art and craft. Excellent piece of kit to have in your toolbox. I hope that helps. If not, please go to amtechdiy.com.